Hi, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today I'm talking about the latest announcement from Revell, which is their plan to release a Hawker Hunter T7 or T7A in 1/32nd scale. Now this is based on the existing Hunter FGA9 tooling, the one that first appeared in 1998, but it will of course have a completely new nose section and some other parts. The Revell team scanned a preserved airframe at the Gatwick Aviation Museum in Sussex in England. Interestingly, the design team doesn't have access to the original CAD files for the FGA9, something of course designed a quarter century ago. So what they've done is they've reverse engineered the design files from the plastic of an existing kit. Of course, these will need to be very carefully matched up in the design process with the new parts. To make an absolutely accurate version of the T7, some engine vents need to be moved, as it had an earlier version of the Avon engine than the one used in the FGA9. I'm told that a solution to this slightly thorny problem is being worked on. For the initial release, there will be a choice of 3 schemes. The first is for X-Ray Lima 610 of number 111 Squadron, Royal Air Force, in the colours of the famous Black Arrows display team, incidentally holders of the world record for a formation loop with 22 aircraft. The second is for X-Ray Lima 591 of 208 Squadron, Royal Air Force, as based at RAF Lossiemouth in 1990, featuring wraparound camouflage. This is the airframe that Revell scanned at Gatwick. And finally, there is November 301, an aircraft of the Royal Netherlands Air Force, flown at Soesterberg Air Base in 1968. When I get mine, of course, I'll be painting it as X-Ray Lima 519, an aircraft I've actually flown in, although another intriguing scheme would be the raspberry ripple colours of the Hunter flown at the Empire Test Pilot School at Boscombe Down. The current plan is for the Hunter T7 to be released in late 2025. Who knows, maybe even at the next Scale Model World. That's all for now. Keep an eye out on the channel for more news from Telford and the Scale Model World at large. Thanks for watching and goodbye.